Hey, I've got some exciting news to share. Fannie Mae just recently updated their guidelines around multi-unit properties. Prior, for a conventional loan 2 to 4 unit property, you had to put 20 to 25% down. Now, if qualified, you can put as little as 5% down. So this also applies for renovation financing as well. This is huge. Until yesterday, FHA was really the only game in town for multi-unit low down payment options. What exactly does this change mean? Well, no upfront mortgage insurance. So you're saving the additional 1.75% of the finance loan amount upfront. No self-sufficiency test that you have to pass. And also potential no need to refinance to drop the mortgage insurance premium down the road. All other factors being equal, qualifying for FHA and conventional still hold true. Drop me a line if you have any questions or a specific situation that you'd like to discuss. Thanks. Bye.